M8 wayfeeder controller parameters. For accessing the parameters, press menu. The display appears with settings, calibration, weight record, data clearing, security, factory adjustment, product information. That's all. Now select settings and enter. You will have basic scale settings, extra scale parameters, control basic settings, control extra parameters, flow settings, speed settings, load settings, and then save and print, communication port settings, digital IO settings, and display date and time. The scale basic comes with first parameter of display unit. Select 0 or kg by using scrolling 0 kg or 10. Enter. Come down in selection of decimal. 2 decimal is selected. Can we change it to single decimal, double decimal, and then the belt length. Right now the wayfeeder belt length is 2.66 meter, and then speed coefficient, right now it was 25.9 pulse per meter. Down 0 value, 0 ADC value, and then span coefficient, raw count, dead band for setting tons per hour. Whatever the value setting here, it will not be considered for the deliveries. Scale unit is kg or gram. It is in kg. That's all. These all are comes under scales basic parameter. Press menu for quit or enter. Press select scale extra, calibration, review, chain weight 5 kg, hang weight 5 kg, weigh length 0.225 meter, calibration of current 20 milliampere, zero track is off, zero track range was plus or minus 5% is default, zero adjustment is up to 3% can be able to do zero refresh, and breakpoints correction coefficient is 1, correction coefficient 2 is 1, calibration add negative calibration, all are disabled. And come to control basic, flow set the flow rate, 100 tons per hour was set right now, can be set up to 3000 for this system. Process value is 65, correct 0.1 seconds, response PD put to 20 milliampere, 4 milliampere on lower, control ratio is 100%, positive deviation is 10%, negative deviation is minus 10%, Control mode right now in manual. Flow set mode is right now with internal communication. Back. Control extra parameters. Initial hold time is 0. PID initial current is Z present if is equal 2.5 milliampere. Relay delay seconds 0. Batch permits off. If it's on, we can do batching. Batch loop also is possible. Batch loop auto mode we can keep, and we can do the batch routine. Batch initialization 60 seconds. Batch set right now it is 0 kg. Batch pre-act can be set at some kg based on the batch quantity. Right now batch quantity is not set at. Current 20 milliampere. Okay, back. Flow settings. Display unit. This is displaying the unit kg per hour or kg per second, tons per hour. All we can set for the display, and then decimal for the flow rate. Display unit is kg per hour. Tons per hour. Flow range 3000 tons per hour. Flow upper is 100%, lower 15%. Flow filter is 100 points. Filter 2 10 counts. Filter 2 deviation is 0. Now speed settings. Speed settings comes with 2 decimal. Speed range up to 5 meters per second is possible. Right now it is 3. Speed upper is 100%, lower is 0. Speed filter is 50 counts. Speed source is external. Initial speed was 0.190. Pulse 0 kHz. Load is for calibration, set at single decimal. Load range is 100 kg only maximum. Upper load, lower load in percentage. Load filter is 9. Calculated speed is 0. Analog load is 0 kgs. Save and print is only for the shift basis data can be saved. Anyway, here it's not, we are using this feature. Communication port, you can set the address, you can set the communication baud rate, parity you can check, mode of communication can be set, data formats can be set, and then IOs, analog signals, analog output signals, analog digital output signal, output signal. This all is available. Display English. Refresh time 0.5 seconds. LED data for flow rate. set, speed, load, load set, 0 for flow. Second flow set, ready for dump. And running or off. There is lot of things that can be set up which will help during repose generation. That's all comes in F1 settings.